Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will start by creating a safety net. Make a system restore point and a full backup now, because rollback can change profiles. Once done, sign out of your Microsoft account and stop syncing so settings don't reapply. Next, verify you have administrator rights and download the Legacy Edge installer or locate the built-in option in settings. This is the file you'll need to replace the current browser. Move files to an easier-to-find folder so you don't interrupt the flow. Now uninstall the Chromium-based Edge variant. Open Settings, Apps, find Microsoft Edge and try uninstall. If that option is missing, open an elevated PowerShell and run the uninstall command for the current package. Make sure to close all Edge windows and kill any background processes in Task Manager first, otherwise files stay locked. After uninstall completes, run the Legacy Edge installer as administrator and accept prompts to overwrite. This restores core files and finish by rebooting your PC and signing back in. Then set the restored Edge as your default browser and re-import favorites or profiles from your backup. Once verified, disable automatic browser updates or set policies if you want to prevent reinstallation. If something goes wrong, use the system restore point you created or rerun the Legacy installer. Check Event Viewer for specific errors and uninstall logs to identify locked files. If needed, repeat the uninstall with safe mode to resolve persistent file access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.